Malo, malo. So most people know that when a male addresses another male, we often say uso. Nowadays, the term has become somewhat westernized and people will say us. What a lot of people don't know is that women are also uso when referring to other women. So woman to woman is uso or sister, and man to man is also uso or brother. When it comes to different genders referring to each other, it goes back to fa'aloalo or respect. Here's a way to remember how to reference different genders. This isn't a textbook way of learning a relationship, it's just something that helped me. If it works for you, then use it. If not, here are the words. Tua means back. Fafine is woman or female. If I think enough of you to call you my sister, then I got your back. So you're my tuafafine. Also, tua means back and tane is male, but the word is actually tuagane. If you're a woman that thinks enough of me to call me your brother, then you'd have my back. So I'm your tuagane. If you're a woman addressing a group, and they're both men and women in a group, you address the sisters or uso and brothers or tuagane. If you're a man doing the same thing, you address the brothers or uso and sisters tuafafine. Mako.